Okay. Okay. Mix recently announced that we are part of a research team that is made up of different companies that will investigate the feasibility of electric minibus taxis in South Africa. Catherine, this is an exciting and innovative project, and I'd just like to ask you a few questions about Mix's involvement. Why did Mix choose to participate in this project?
Yeah, thanks, Tanya, for the opportunity. It is an exciting project, and I'm really happy that we can be part of it. It's also generated a lot of public interest, so it's a good move of ours to be part of it. We actually were approached by the University of Stellenbosch to participate. We've worked with them for quite a number of years with the Department of the Faculty of Electronic and Electrical Engineering. And they asked us if we wanted to be part of it. And I jumped at the opportunity because it's an area, electrification of fleets is something that we've been watching for a while now, and it's like the future is here. We don't see it much in South Africa, but if you go, Europe, for example, is now the biggest consumer of electric vehicles. I think the electric vehicle sales are growing something like 95% year on year. It's exponential how this has taken off. So it's an area that it's a topic that we need to embrace. It's a big part of our roadmap in the year ahead, and this will get us access to learn more about electric vehicle technology and be part of something which is, for the greater good of South Africa.
Okay, and for the last 5 years, the university has been collecting information on taxi operations in South Africa. Were we part of this?
Yeah, what our role was really a technology enabler. So we provided them with our premium telematics devices and access to the data. So they used our data to gather telemetry data in order to understand driving behavior of taxi drivers, utilization patterns, and it's actually become a key part. Our data has sort of underpinned a number of different research projects by various faculties at the university. One of those was the speed over distance cameras that the Western Cape put on some of the highways. They used the taxi data to actually measure whether those would be effective or not. So we've been involved with them with various different things, but our role has been the technology enabler.
There are also different aspects to the project. The one is the actual testing of the taxi. Can you tell me more about our Mix's involvement in this process?
Yeah, that's probably a part that we won't be that involved in. Our role is more to see the results of the research projects that get undertaken. So the actual testing and understanding of the behavior from an operational perspective will be done by the other partners, but we'll be able to consume the output of their research.
There's also mention of engagement and discussions with the automotive industry and government, as well as an educational roadshow that is planned. Are we going to be involved in this?
Yes, we will. We won't be driving that part of it. That will probably be driven by Go Metro, who are the importers and the people that will be homologating the taxi in South Africa. So they'll probably be the people that will be driving the program with the government, but we will very much be a participant and we'll be included in as much as we want to be included in. So it's a really nice opportunity for us to get more involved if we want.
Okay, and what are you hoping will be the outcome of Mix's participation in this project?
I think there's a few things. Primarily, I would like increased exposure and brand awareness. I think especially because the taxi will be driving around Stellenbosch, which is where our R&D center is based. It's nice exposure. I think it's going to bring the reality of electric vehicles much closer to home for our own staff who are not seeing necessarily what's going on in the rest of the world. So it's a learning opportunity for us. We're going to get access to the data. We're going to be able to understand more about electric vehicles, which is key to our development activities. And then, of course, from a PR perspective, once again, Mix will be recognized as an innovative leader when it comes to embracing new technologies that are, unfolding.
How do we plan to use the data and insights that will be collected going forward?
Well, we'll be able to access the data. We can use the vehicle as a test vehicle for more of our equipment, not just the understanding of the vehicle data, but also other new technologies that we're experimenting with. So we'll be able to learn from it. We'll be able to use it as a test of theories that we have around certain aspects of electric vehicle efficiency that we need to still figure out, and then hopefully incorporate some of those learnings in solutions that we develop and deliver to our customers.
Okay, cool. I think that's really interesting. As I said, it's exciting for us. And thank you for your time. And I look forward to the progress and seeing what the results are.
Thank you very much, Tanya. It's been a pleasure talking to you.